Before it reaches your wallet, the Hong Kong dollar survives one of the most advanced manufacturing systems in the world.
Unlike most currencies, Hong Kong's money is issued by 3 competing banks.
Made from cotton, reinforced with hidden fibers, engineered to survive heat, friction, and counterfeit attacks. The fibers are transformed into a controlled pulp mixture, the foundation of the banknote substrate, adding the conditioning agent to enhance tear resistance and folding endurance. Now for the viscosity test, confirming moisture tolerance. Initiating UV inspection. All fibers and security thread are clearly visible. Inspection complete, signing off. UV activation complete, fibers and thread are glowing as expected. All features verified, signing off on the inspection checklist. Only after passing structural, optical, and chemical verification is the substrate approved for printing. Security ink is not ordinary pigment. It is engineered chemistry designed to defeat counterfeit technology. Infrared mapping shows even heat distribution. Profile optimized, ready for full run. Ink batch approved and released. Batch scanned, transferring to press floor. Once the substrate and security inks are approved, the printing process begins, layer by layer, under extreme precision control. Numbering machine calibrated, digital counter visible. Operator verifies starting sequence. Printed in multiple controlled stages, each node is engineered through pressure, precision, and layered security. But printing is only the beginning. Beyond visible design, Hong Kong banknotes contain multiple layers of embedded security to verification. Passing the sheet through the IR scanner now. Pattern match confirmed, all clear. Approved sheets enter the controlled environment chamber. Temperature and humidity are stabilized before cutting. Only after optical, magnetic, tactile, and digital verification. Before cutting, every Hong Kong $500 and $1,000 sheet is scanned by machine vision systems capable of detecting microscopic defects invisible to the human eye. Within tolerance. Initiating IR scan for route valve. Note is confirmed authentic.
Inputting dimensions for HK $500 sheet grid. Verifying blade alignment via laser guide.
From full security sheets to individually verified banknotes. After precision cutting, each Hong Kong $500 note is counted, aligned, and prepared for secure bundling under strict quantity control.
Randomly selecting this HK stack for a manual count, one by one, confirming the exact 100 notes. Count complete. Human oversight ensures accuracy.
Enters protected storage, awaiting controlled release into the financial system.
Transfer confirmed. Releasing pallets. Currency is released only under authorized. Vehicle secure. Dock is clear.
Copy. Proceed with dock opening.
Acknowledge. Doors opening now.
Seal ID logged. Initiating release protocol. Electronic form signed and submitted.
Vehicles moving smoothly on the planned route.
Confirmed. Roger. Bound for any deviations.
ID, please. Cleared. Proceed. Panel secure. Withdrawal confirmed. HK $500 dispensed.
Here is 1,000.
Thank you. Just checking it.
All good. Here's your receipt.
Each for a tightly controlled financial ecosystem engineered for trust, stability, and resilience.
Before surviving circulation, Hong Kong's $100 and $500 notes undergo controlled stress testing to simulate years of handling in weeks. Controlled alcohol wipe applied to test zone. Ink integrity examined after drying. OVI patch still shifts color correctly. After prolonged UV exposure, the fibers remain reactive. Now comparing the intensity reading to the baseline.
Reviewing the final durability data.
Batch C shows superior results.
Agreed. Approving for circulation standard.
Confirmed.
Engineered to withstand friction, moisture, heat, and time, each Hong Kong dollar is built not just for security, but for endurance.
Currency in motion, from the vibrant street to the halls of commerce.
Human precision behind the system. From ink to economy, from paper to prosperity, Hong Kong's currencies is more than money. It is a living system of trust.